you show up to work and they do a drug test and find cannabis in your system, but you're not high at work, can they fire you for that? Let's see from this CCMA case. Today we're talking about the case of Sizwe in Yawuza, who was dismissed from his job after testing positive for cannabis, even though he was not high at work. He opened up a case of unfair dismissal at the bargaining council. Commissioner at the hearing said that there was no specific policy on cannabis use at the workplace, only a drug and alcohol policy. Before we continue, I want to remind you of Legal Leaders Insurance. It's important that you know your rights and you get proper legal advice when facing workplace issues. Getting labor law assistance and legal advice can be very expensive. We created Legal Leaders Insurance to give you peace of mind and the protection you need to stand up for your workplace rights. You get proper labor law legal advice, CCMA representation, labor court representation. It doesn't just end there. We're also adding an online school available to all policy holders where you'll learn more about labor law and get a certificate at the end. To find out more about how you can join us, send us a WhatsApp on this number. The Commissioner also said in paragraph 30 that the amount of cannabis in Sizwe's system was minimal and was not mind-altering at the time. Specifically, the Commissioner goes on to point out that Sizwe did not conduct himself in a manner which poses a threat to the respondent's workplace. That means his behavior was not risky or dangerous to the company. At the end of the case, the Commissioner ordered the company to reinstate Sizwe because the dismissal was seen to be too harsh in the circumstances. So what can we learn from this case? Number one, the company must prove that the employee posed a genuine risk and that the employee had broken a clear policy. Number two, blanket zero tolerance policies don't apply. Every case depends on the facts. Have you ever experienced or witnessed an unfair dismissal? Share your stories below in the comment section.